Hey everybody, Fetty here. I'm working on a sign for somebody and I don't want to give too much away because I hope to post that video on my channel before too long. But it's a really big and complicated outdoor sign. It's going to take me a while to put together, so anyway. But one of the things that I had to do in order to get started on that sign was cut a stencil on my CNC machine. Once I was finished with that stencil, it occurred to me that I could use that to make them another sign that would be appropriate to hang indoors. So that's what this video is about. It's no big magic hot sauce revealed in this video, just a fun little project where I take something that I would have thrown away and turn it into something cool. So what I did with that stencil is I cut out a backing board, painted that black, and then I glued the stencil onto that backer board with some West System epoxy, let it dry. Once it dried, then I shot it with some clear coat. Turned out great, so check it out. So here's how it turned out. the Dave's Good Time Emporium sign. I think it turned out really good. It's something cool that he can hang in his shop, and I made it out of something that I would have otherwise thrown away. Can't wait to show you the other sign, the outdoor sign. That's going to take a while to do, so stay tuned on the channel for that. Hey, hope you enjoyed the video and maybe learned something, but more importantly, I hope you got some of your own ideas. As always, if you like my videos, remember, give me a thumbs up, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.